Hey everyone, today we have some exciting news about Revenge of the Mummy reopening at Universal Studios Florida. Plus, I sort of have a huge secret that's been weighing on me for a few months now, and I think I'm almost ready to reveal it to you all and come clean about everything. Let's talk about it. Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and first I want to give a huge shout out to all the new subscribers. Thank you so much for the support. I know most of you subscribed from my top 10 most surprising coasters video, which, man, I never in the world thought it would even hit 1,000 views, let alone close to 35K. So I truly feel blessed, and I'm so grateful to everyone who watched and commented. And if you're new to the channel, of course, welcome. Just a disclaimer, if you've noticed that I've been posting videos less frequently, I promise it's for an awesome reason, and I'll tie everything in on my next video coming Thursday. So don't worry, we'll eventually get to that big secret, but for now, let's get right to that Mummy news. Revenge of the Mummy at Universal Studios Florida has officially reopened for technical rehearsals, which is Universal's term for a soft opening, after a pretty lengthy refurbishment that's lasted close to 8 months. Apparently no major changes have been made to the ride or the queue, but I have heard through the rumor mill that the dark ride / coaster hybrid is a bit gentler on some of those abrupt stopping moments, which if you know what I'm talking about, go ahead and leave a skull emoji down in the comments, as those spots in the ride were pretty jarring. So it's great to hear that arguably the only negative part of the ride has improved. I'm super excited that it's back up and running, as it's my absolute favorite ride at Universal Studios Florida, which means I'll be riding it this very weekend during the opening weekend of Halloween Horror Nights 31. Now you might be asking yourselves, but Mike, didn't you say in your most recent Parks update video that you weren't going to be able to go to HHN this year because you found something even better to go to? Yes, I did definitely say that, and thank you for paying attention and being one of the few who actually watched that video. Confused yet? Don't worry if you are. There just isn't enough time for me to explain everything today, so all will be revealed on Thursday's video, and the awesome thing is it looks like I get to have my cake and eat it too. But that's going to do it for today, guys. Just a quick update. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, do me a huge favor and hit the thumbs up to help out the channel, and go ahead and subscribe for more theme park news, tips, tricks, and adventures. As always, I've been Mike with Trout Takes, and we'll see you all soon.